I'll show you how to fix a throttle on a string trimmer. The engine works good, but it won't rev. When you squeeze the throttle, there's no movement on the cable at all. We'll remove the cable on the trigger side first. Remove the trigger assembly. When you push and pull on the cable, nothing moves. When we pull the cable at this end, no movement. Remove the housing to get a closer look. Remove the spark plug, loosen up the cable. Make sure everything moves. Disconnect the throttle cable bracket. Disconnect the end of the throttle cable. Pull out the end of the cable. Disconnect the cable at the trigger. Pull the cable through. Pull out the cable. It'll slide completely out. You can get a new cable or I'll show you how to fix this one. Place the cable in a container. Coil it up at the bottom of the container. Dump in some old motor oil. Let it soak overnight. It's soaked overnight. We'll remove the oil. Remove the cable. We'll pull on the cable. You can see it's starting to move. Flip the cable over and pull that end. Pull from each end until it's loose. Pull it back and forth about 20 times and you can see it's really easy now. Now that the cable is unseized, you can go ahead and install it again. Install it in reverse order. Now we've got it near the trigger. Hook up the end of the cables, slide it in the hole, place the bracket in, set the screw, place the cable into the trigger, place the cable through the slot, reinsert the trigger, lock it with the bolt, tighten everything up, engage the trigger. Now you can see it activates the carburetor choke. Put the housing back together, hook up the spark plug. With it started, we'll try the throttle. And it works.